Hi everyone, today I decided to do something on my furnace AC. I noticed that last year when it was on, this water leaked from here. So I'm suspecting ice melt into water. So either the tube is clogging or inside the furnace are clogging. I've decided to take a look at it before it turns into a major issue. Then having a mechanic to fix this would be even more expensive. Yeah, so if you look at it, I already unscrewed everything already. So I'm gonna take this board out. This unit is 5 years old. When it's really clogged, no matter how old that is, it's still gonna clog. So that's why we need to keep maintaining. So this is the, you see all the screen stuff like copper, all this built up. So this thing is actually the tray where the water goes down here, run through here, and then go out to the, like goes in here, the water, and then we'll go to this little hole, and the water drain out and go out to the, to a sewage. So it looks like it here. I don't see any debris. There's a screw here. I don't know where it's coming from, but it's all rusted. Let me take that out. It looks pretty clean to me, so I don't think this is clogging here. Turn the flashlight on. Yeah, when I look inside, it's very clean. I don't see any debris or stuff. Yeah, always before you do that, make sure you shut down all the power. You don't want to get electrocuted, you know. If you don't know anything, consult the mechanic and do it for you. Yeah, this is kind of stick up, so I'm not gonna bother to open it. Just want to take a look with my phone. Yeah, inside looks pretty clear. I don't see any clog here, so it has to be coming from this drain pipe. I would think it's right here. The drain, this little U shape might be tracked up like some debris over time, and that causing the backup and then leak out. So let's take a look. Holding up. Yeah, I do see some stuff in it. It's just a small hole for the water outflow. So it does have some debris like building up from this little U-trap. So today I'm gonna flush it or clean it, whichever you call, and then hopefully when I turn on the AC this year, I don't see like any leak coming from here, this area. And then we'll get started. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use an air compressor and then try blow in here. So get all those debris out and then flush with water. And hopefully the issue will solve for this year when I turn on the AC. Alright, I'm setting my compressor to 80. So let me test it out. Yeah, it's very powerful air. Is it hurting? Okay, it's not that hurting if you touch it yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna push this out. Okay, I can see something go down, water. Pushing the water. Not sure if you can hear it. Also, there's some water splashing out backward. So just let me take a look inside the tube and see what happened. Yeah, I think I make a big hole already. Versus earlier, the hole was small, so let me just continue to do it. Okay, so this time I cover because I feel there's a water splashing backward. And let's take a look again. Now I'm gonna flush it with water. So I got a water bottle. So in here, the cap, not sure if you can see clear, but I can describe it. I drew a little hole there so I can put pressure into it before I put a big bottle like this into the the pipe here. So now I just want to flush it. Yeah, I could hear the water go down. And nothing being backed up. If I look closer, here, there's no water coming back when I squeeze the water. So which is good sign. So kind of give pressure. I think I flushed everything out. I don't see any dirt anymore. It's just water at the U-trap. Nothing being backed up. So let me just do a quick flush this time using a funnel. Just like do a last flush, just be safe. Yep, nothing being backed up. So it's done. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.